Hello beautiful people, let's quickly talk about look function. Let's talk about look function. So today we are talking about look function and our focus will be on Vlookup. Our focus will be on Vlookup. Imagine you have sets of information and maybe a class list. Let's say you have a class list and someone asks you, so who is student ID 103? So instead of searching manually, Excel can find it for you. Just like dictionary, when you go to the dictionary to look up a word, you get the meaning. That's what lookup function is all about. Okay, now let us study this formula so as to know how to apply it. Okay, this is the Vlookup formula. Equals Vlookup lookup value. The lookup value is exactly what you are searching for. And the table array is where Excel should search. And the column number is the column containing the information you want it to return. And then the false here is saying that I want the exact match, don't give me something else. So let's quickly go and apply that formula. Now I'm going to put 103 here. That is my lookup value. So here is where I'm going to enter the formula. Equals Vlookup, open bracket, this value, that's the lookup value, comma, then the table array. Here is the table array, that is where I want Excel to search, comma, then the column number that I am interested in. This is column A is column 1, B is column 2. So I'll put 2 here, comma, and then I'll put the first and close the bracket. So you can see I'm easily able to see that student 103 is Mary. So what if I change this one to 2 is now Grace. So what if I change this one to 5 is now Peter. So that's how to use Vlookup. See you in my next video. Thank you.